In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to round Google Sheets cells to the nearest 10. We'll be diving into an easy step-by-step process to help you round numbers efficiently in your spreadsheet without any hassle. So, let's get started. First, you'll want to open up Google Sheets. If you haven't already done so, navigate to your Google account and select the Sheets app, which is part of the Google Drive suite. Once you've got your spreadsheet open and ready, it's time to move to the next step. Now you're going to click on the cell where you want the rounded value to appear. In our example, we'll choose cell D2. This is simply a convenient starting point, and you can certainly pick a different one if that's what your project requires. However, for the sake of consistency, let's stick with D2 for now. After selecting cell D2, it's time to input the rounding formula. This is where the magic happens. You'll type in the formula mround B2 10. This formula uses the mround function, which is specifically designed to round a number to the nearest multiple of another number. Here, B2 is the cell containing the original number you want to round, and 10 is the multiple to which you want to round it. The beauty of this function is that it takes care of everything for you, replacing guesswork with precision. But don't stop there. Now that you've entered the formula, press the Enter key. Hitting Enter will execute the formula, and voila! Your selected cell D2 now displays the value from B2 rounded to the nearest 10. It's that simple. Your number has been neatly rounded without fuss. Let's wrap up with a quick recap and a few tips. You can drag D2's lower right corner to fill other cells in the same column with the same formula. This is particularly useful if you're working with a list of numbers in column B. Just ensure each cell in column D corresponds correctly to its counterpart in column B. It can make handling large datasets much more efficient and help maintain data consistency across your sheet. By rounding numbers in this way, not only do you keep your spreadsheets tidy, but you also make your data analysis clearer and more digestible. Well, that brings us to the end of this tutorial. I hope you found it helpful and that you can now confidently apply rounding in your own Google Sheets projects. Thank you for watching, and happy spreadsheeting.